is real. Facebook tells us so. On focus.
Economic Trump politics, kid get paid. About as much as I can take. Don't try and push your...
I'm just getting the audio. I'm now the beer first.
What's going on, mister? Where's Danny?
Wandering around somewhere.
Wandering around somewhere. Has he driven it yet?
Economic Trump politics, kid get paid. About as much as I can take. Don't try and push your religion on me. This man decided everybody's face. We all know that's not the way it should be. I've had about as much as I can take. Don't try and push your religion on me. This man decided everybody's face. We all know 106.9 is
Almost going to blow the Twin Towers.
Oh no, the Twin Towers are already blown up, dude. Here in Canada, we have a socialist healthcare system. Socialism is great. Is it not? Socialism. That's exactly what you were just talking about your buddy there who,
Your hospital analogy.
yeah, like, it's totally the fact that you smoking a cigarette, and if you get sick from it and you go to the hospital, that's paid for by the taxpayers, the same way as...
Yeah, same way as if your kid goes and gets hurt playing golf or hockey, breaks his leg. Why did I pay for him? Should have stayed at home in bed, on the couch, watching TV. Safe. Away from dangerous activities. Right?
Absolutely.
Play it safe.
You know, another stupid thing, seatbelts.
Seatbelts. Tell me about seatbelts.
Stupid thing. You get tagged for not wearing a seatbelt. It's my car. I pay insurance. If I kill myself because of my stupidity, it's my fault.
That's right.
If the hospital doesn't want to pay for me for what's broken legs or broken back, then maybe we should change our health plan so that we have to pay insurance. Then maybe we'll think twice about putting on our seatbelts.
That's right, eh?
Right?
That would make a lot of sense.
Hey, I got another question. I got to wear a seatbelt in my car, but do you have to wear a seatbelt on a school bus?
No.
Do you have to wear a seatbelt on a city bus? In a train?
In Bert, you have to wear.
Or in an airplane? No.
At certain times.
At certain times. Why? Because it gets dangerous. Don't you think? Have you ever seen these school buses rolling down the road? These suckers driving your kids down the road 100 miles an hour?
That's it. They are going on it.
What happens when they get running in the back of something? You get 30, 40 little 2, 3-year-olds flying all over the bus and getting all hurt, right?
Could happen, yeah. Probably does.
Seatbelts
cause cancer.
If you have a kid that doesn't know any better in your vehicle, yeah, make sure he has his belt. That's just what a parent does. If I choose not to wear a belt, motorcycle. Is there any seatbelt in a motorcycle? No.
That would be hilarious. Everybody wiping out and they just get stuck to the bike.
But you know what I'm trying to get at, right?
Yeah.
That's all I got to say about that.
Thank you, Forrest.
My name's Forrest Gump.
Shut up their nose to impose what basically still goes on today. You see, if the truth is told, the youth can grow. They learn to survive until they gain control. Nobody says you have to be